What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Grab some popcorns. We got a show to show you right now. What a beautiful car. 1964 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. I mean, this thing is just beautiful. Great lines. It's powered by a 429 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seats, sitting on 24-inch custom wheels. Tires are in great shape. And their tires are wide. These are 25s. And this thing's just got a great, awesome look to it. This car has been totally redone and put together. All new interior. Engine's been completely rebuilt with less than 200 miles on it. Paint was done about 6 years ago. I found one tiny little flaw, but it is straight. Chrome is great. Look at that ass. I mean, come on. That is gangster. I just drove it and put about 100 miles on it in the last few days. Brakes great, handles the road phenomenal, suspension's all been redone, underneath is clean. I've got plenty of photos of that. Everything's working the way it should. All your front chrome and badging's in good shape. I found one little piece that was missing on the car. It's right here. So tiny. It's right there. That's it. Paint is in good shape all the way through the car. Lines up exactly. Seems to be all original panels on here. Front quarter, excellent. Lines up great. Sport mirror. Lines up the way it should on the bottom. This is all original panels. The door lines up. One little flaw in the paint is this one little bubble here. It's like a bone white color. Rear quarters in great shape. Like I said, all original. All your glass all the way throughout the car is in real good shape, and all your chrome is in real good shape. Trunk lines up exactly the way it should. I'm ordering a key thing because we lost one. We'll get that done right there. I'll get some pictures of the trunk once it's in. But all the glass, rear chrome bumpers in good shape. All new exhaust, suspension underneath this thing. And this is a treat. Look at this thing. Look at how big that tire is. It pulls a little bit to the left. These tires need to get, and wheels need to get aligned a lot, so. But they're expensive. Rear passenger quarters in great shape with no flaws. Lines up great with the door and underneath, as well as door defender. There's one tiny little scratch here. Let me get on an angle. Look at this thing. All brand new interior. Let's take a look. It's got speakers in the rear. You can't see them, but I hear them. It's got an upgraded sound system and the original radio. Look at this interior. All brand new, way it came from the factory, leather interior. Headliner. Turnkey car. Just maybe the pulling on that one tire. That's it. All your power windows work. Look how nice this thing is. All your weather stripping's fresh, fresh, fresh. $92,429 on the odometer, and like I said, right around 200 miles on the fresh rebuild. Original steering wheel. Clock's working. Upgraded sound system with box. Bluetooth, speakers on both sides. Super, super nice. Let's check out the jewelry under the hood. It is fresh under here. Great option, aluminum radiator, keep you nice and cool. Super clean, $429. Look, brand freshly new. Power brakes, power steering. Great cruiser. All your belts, hoses, everything's fresh, fresh, fresh. This was just done. Fire up. Live TV. Nice, nice sound. Like I said, all your lights are working. I love these vent windows. Both sides, everything's operable. All your gauges are working. Radio's working. I think the only thing that's not working is the horn. Yeah. Even the radio here is working, the old radio. Nice, this is a nice car. Dash pad is good. Found another little scratch. Don't want you to be surprised. This is really a nice car, folks. 1964 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. If you're looking to do some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 640 score to a 739, please go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Again, that's mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now. 10% down minimum, must have good credit. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. That's lightstream.com. Usually approval within 24 hours, sometimes no money down. Again, we'll finance up to 84 months. We have over 100 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. We ship all over the country, enclosed and open, bonded and insured. If you have any questions on any of our cars or questions on shipping anywhere in the United States, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Call me, I'll get you in, or text me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me on this 1964 Coupe DeVille. It's truly a nice car. You will not be disappointed. Let's get this thing home with you. Have a great day, everybody.